Hello everyone, it's Jack from VFXHUT. So today I'm going to show you a few little tips in Cinema 4D to hopefully help speed up your workflow. So the first one is quite cool. So if you press Shift and F12, you get a list of all the commands in Cinema 4D. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of things that you can do. So if there's certain things that you like or things that you know that you use a lot, so we'll type in Redshift. We can quickly access any of these functions, but also we can just drop them on to anywhere that we want to. And we can even create new little palettes and drop our little things on. Quite like these ones. And then these can be part of our interface too. Another tip, which is quite cool, you might have either done by accident or just never tried it. If you're in the viewport, if you middle click, opens all 4 windows. So again, it's nothing spectacular, but it might be good when you're modeling characters or block modeling. So yeah, that's useful. Another little quick tip is if you are using Octane materials or Redshift materials, sometimes they don't move with the models. If you've UV mapped correctly, then that shouldn't be a problem. So this guy he has been UV mapped, but his hat and his top hasn't been. So what you do is we'll find his top. All you gotta do is make sure it's rested in the position that you want it in, and then we go to tags, and we go to Cinema 4D tags, and we go to stick texture. As soon as you put that on, it will remember this and stay attached to the model, which is a good little tip. If you've rigged something and you think, oh, I can't be bothered to UV it now, but by putting that stick texture on, it stays there. Another really simple thing for beginners is if you've got this cube, for example, moving from there to here, when you start and you use Cinema 4D for the first time, you think, gosh, I just want it to go in a straight line. Why is that dot getting further apart and starts slow? So like that. And then it slows down at the end, which might be what you want if you're doing like a conveyor belt, but if you don't, all you do is click on this, click on your keyframe, and then go to linear. And then on this frame 2, go to linear. Now you'll notice that the dots are evenly spread and it's standard speed all the way along. This is also good if you're doing looping animations as well, because you don't want them to slow down at the end unless that's the vibe you're going for. So you've got a cube that you want to move back into the middle. We just go to Tools, Reset PSR. There we go. So there's some really small little tricks to hopefully speed up your workflow, and if you're new to Cinema 4D, I'm going to plan on doing some more of these a lot quicker though, hopefully. So see you on the next one.